Hi, my name is Mavis Kirk, and I've started an online business tutoring online learners. It's a fictional business to be used in conjunction with my Empire State College class. What I will be doing on Thursday, October 31st at 6 p.m., Halloween night, is having a fictional online learning session. If you would like to participate, you can send me a comment and I can send you a link from there. And what we will do on that night is you can go into the link and we will go into a virtual reality setting where we can have a discussion about how the business works and what types of things I will be discussing. Some of the things I will be discussing are what makes a successful online learner and 5 essential online learning strategies. So I hope to see you on Thursday, October 31st at 6 p.m. and have a good night.